Do you feel, I mean, now that you've had experience with treatments, with medical care in India, there've been a lot of people who go overseas
Yes,
to get the same treatment.
of course.
Are we getting better in India?
Yeah, of course. We've
Because
got the
it's-
best of the doctors. No, of course. Really have got the best of the doctors here. We've got the best of the infrastructure here. Of course, I think there are some issues when there's accessibility. You go abroad. If you want to take a second, third opinion, why not? You want to get your treatment there, why not? But my treatment has all been here. In fact, for this round time, I actually took an opinion from Sloan. Again, I also did a Zoom call. They were talking along with the doctors here. So the head of Tata, Dr. Sudeep, he is a medical oncologist. No, they were taking his advice also.
Yeah.
So agar we should value our doctors more, So I think we really have the best of doctors and the best of infrastructure.